So, should you play music for your baby bump? The answer is yes, and here is why. Now, playing music during pregnancy isn't just literally adorable, it's actually amazing for your baby's development. Now, let's break it down. Number one, there's brain boosting beat music, which stimulates your baby's growing brain, helping build strong neural connections, especially ones tied to speech as well as language. So, think of this as your baby's first language lesson. Now, number two is hello hearing. By 24 weeks, your baby can actually hear sounds. Music helps them start processing the world early. So, voices and rhythms, and even your favorite playlist makes a difference. Now, number three, soothing vibes for two. So, mama, when you relax, your baby does too. Music can actually help calm both you and your baby, lower stress, and even help settle baby in the womb with familiar tunes. Now, there's also number four, the creative as well as cognitive perks. Now, early sound exposure may actually support future creativity, coordination, and even positive personality traits. Now, I we all have to remember that music will literally not guarantee a genius baby. So no matter how much, Mozart, baby Mozart music you play, every child is unique. The ultimate goal is literally to just enjoy that moment together. That bond is what actually means more than anything. So my recommendation is go ahead, press play, dance a little, sing a lot, and your baby's already listening.